target.
Blah, 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 blah. He's talking about work. It's the weekend. So we have Raj with the pop-up. And we have Atish that doesn't have a pop-up, potentially, because he's not on Instagram. Yet. Maybe you guys can convince him to come on Instagram. So we are going off to our barbecue back at my place. I'm actually hosting. What? Hosting? Not cool. Not cool. But hopefully we'll have a good time. Let's go. So, excuse the fat fingers whilst I'm attempting to drop. Oh my god! Look at that. Did you see that cool person's hair? Green, literally green, full on green. So the convoy, can't really see them all, to be fair. I've lost them. What do you expect? Genius. Convoy is en route back to my place for a barbecue. So we're in the Porsche 911 Turbo S. I'm not going to give you a breakdown on the car because I'm pretty useless on cars, although I like being in nice cars, so pretty useless on them. It's a nice car. For those that aren't at my barbecue today, you could be going to McDonald's, just there, you can see, quite a suave one. Anyway, stay tuned, the party is just beginning. Missing someone.
What's the procedure?
I was supposed to film a lot more than I actually have. So this is all the cool fairy lights set up by the barbecue fairy lady, also known as Nicola. So there's all this cool food in there. Actually, I'll have to show you. So all the food is kind of been going now. So as we know, life is short, lick the bowl. Pretty sure we're good at that. All the food, we've got marshmallows, and we've got the chocolate fountain. Everyone seems to be having a full-on laugh out there. A lot of the food is gone now, seems to be eating it all. Just chilling out in the garden now with family, friends, the people that matter in life. So we've got the fire, obviously.
Right down
Big A over here. They're all going a bit mental. Yeah, and obviously
table's doing really well this week.
Yeah, you can just about see these guys. Yeah, drinks are flowing. Guys, you got anything to say to everyone else out that's awesome on YouTube?
What's up there?
No. So these two guys, this is Michael. Michael doesn't get out much, so he's out early. And Jordan also doesn't get out often. He only gets out to work out his triceps. Oosh. Working out. We got Dale and Alan. Say hi again. Cheers, cheers. And obviously got a lovely garden.
You can't even see me.
Oh, that was a bit stereotype. Let's just for that we'll do a pop up of Chaz's handle. And we got Suze. You got anything you want to say?
Hi.
The whole world, everyone knows who you are. You're famous. We have got Kathy and Tanya. Ta-da! And then we've got the uglier version, most boring version of me. Look, the better looking one. The better looking one. Oh, see those eyebrows. He's cool. That's James. It's my brother. And we got the other lot.
Hi guys. Hey, what's up?
What's up? And then we've got Atch's other half that we yeah. Like 4 years we thought he was making up, but he's proved it wrong today. So it's not.
I'm joking.
Shots
I
fired.
never really said that.
So we have Atish, we have Raj, and we got Nicola, the genius of the barbecue tonight.
You're sweating. You're sweating, man.
You gonna say anything?
I'm sorry.
You had fun?
Yeah, loving it. Good food, great drink, good hosts. What life's all about. It's what we do it for.
Shit jokes.
Nah.
Oh yeah, look.
Powered by Yulcoin.
Yulcoin logo. Yeah, we'll take that. So I think that's pretty much a wrap, guys. Barbecue level achieved. I did nothing. It went really well. And there's lights. And it looks like a grotto. And all the rest of it. I mean, this is what we call the Samuel Co family. Peace out, guys. Have a great time.
Once again. Go to the top.